If you want to create a carousel or a carousel of images in LinkedIn like this here, where you have multiple images with the option to slide left or right to see more options, then you can easily do it with Canva. Now let me take you through that and show you how you can easily do this with Canva. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Canva account. So if you don't have an account, then you'll have to create one. If you have one, then you just have to log in and access this option, or just follow me through this process as you create this LinkedIn post. Now once you've logged into your Canva account, you're going to go to the search option and just do something like a presentation, or as well you can find it listed among the most commonly used items here. So if I click on presentation, for instance, I'll be given like a list of layouts, so I can click on that and then I'll open the presentation list. So we'll wait for that to load, and then you're going to select a template. Now when you click this, you're going to be taken to an untitled presentation. So you go to the left hand side and click on the design and select one example of presentation here. So if I take this, for instance, that has 10 pages, and I can say maybe apply all 10 pages, for instance, just to take it easily. And then I now scroll down. I have seen actually this has appeared horizontally from left to right. Now if I want to edit this, I just double tap on like text, edit it, double tap on buttons, click on this image here. If I want to delete it, and tap on delete. If I want to add another image, I just go to the upload section and add an image. I must make sure that I have the image saved in my computer so that I can easily access it. Now once I've uploaded the image, I can just drag it and drop it, or just click on it and it will appear on my document, and then I can drag and reposition. So if I wanted to replace it, I'll do that, and I'll also edit this text if I want to. Now once you're done with your presentation, edited all the pages, you can go to the top right hand side and click on the share button. Now when you click on the share button, you're going to go to the download option. Now in the download option, you must download it as PDF. It will actually, what will be pre-selected when you have multiple pages created within your presentation. Now I'll tap on download so that I can download this file as a PDF with 10 pages. Now I'll wait for that document to download, and then I'll go back to LinkedIn and try to upload it or create it as a post. So let's check if that has been downloaded. Yes, so we check here, it's in the download process, almost done. So once the file is downloaded, I'll go back to LinkedIn and I'm just going to start a new post. So let me show you how to do that, and then we can upload this. So I'll go to the very top of this page here of LinkedIn page and click on, I'll go to the home page, and then once I've opened the home page, I will click on the add post button. So let me scroll back up again, top, scroll back to the top, and then I'll see the add post to start a new post option. Now once I click on start a new post, I'm going to upload a document. So let me just make this as test post, for instance, test post. Then I'm going to add. So if I add here, I'm going to select a document, add document, because a PDF file is a document. So then I choose the file that I needed to share, and then it will be in my downloads. Ensure that you know exactly where the downloaded file went to. So that will load, and then I'll go to my downloaded files and add that item there. So I'm going to go to downloads, not videos, and then this was the name of the document that I just downloaded. You can see the time and the date. Then I'll click on open. So once that is loaded, you will notice that it will be created and turned into pages. So let's wait for that to load. I can add test title, and it's just test desk for test description. Then I'll wait for it to load. And now once it is loaded, I'll just click on done if I want to. But you notice that now I have like a carousel. So this is the page one. If I want to go to the next page, So this is how it's going to appear to all my viewers, like individual pages. Now, one advantage with this carousels is that they make your post more engaging, because someone will always be trying to go to the next to see what is there, as opposed to like a single image post that only shows information on that single page. So that's how you create an image or maybe a carousel on LinkedIn. If you are interested in watching more Canva tutorials, there's a video attached above, and there is more within this playlist that is also linked in one of the thumbnails that appear above.